Welcome to our step-by-step guide to growing microgreens at home. In this video, we'll show you how to grow these nutrient-packed plants on your windowsill, no outdoor space needed. The first step in growing microgreens is choosing the right seeds. Look for seeds labeled specifically for microgreens or choose young leaves and shoots of any veggie. Once you have your seeds, it's time to prepare your soil. Use a shallow container with drainage holes and fill it with a good quality potting soil that is light, fluffy, and comes with a reasonable nutrient content. Now it's time to plant your seeds. Sprinkle them evenly over the soil surface, then press them down gently with your hands, keeping them close together. Keep the soil moist with regular water sprays or mist. Place the container in a well-lit area, but avoid direct sunlight. Your microgreens should sprout within a week. Check the moisture levels daily and mist the plant occasionally. Once the plants have produced their second set of leaves, snip them and use them in your meals. Congratulations! You now have your own microgreens to enjoy. Growing microgreens is an easy and rewarding experience. With just a few basic steps, you can harvest tasty and healthy crops right from your windowsill. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.